Morning students. Today our topic is subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Today we will do subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Now first sum is subtract 2348 from 4795. 2348 from 4795. Now what will be the first step? First step is subtract ones. First step is subtract ones. Now we will take ones. Now there is 5 in the first number and 8 in the second number. Now 5 is less than 8. 5 is less than 8. So we can't subtract 8 from 5. 5 is less than 8. So we can't subtract 8 from 5. What will we do? We will borrow 110 from 910. This 5 will borrow 110 from 910. So 110 plus 5 ones is equal to 15 ones. This 5 has borrowed 110 from 910 and it has become 15 ones. Now 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. So we will write down 7 in ones place. We will write down 7 in ones place. 5 is less than 8. So this 5 will borrow 110 from 910. So it will become 15. Now 9 has given 110 to 5. So it will become 8. Now this 9 will become 8. Now second step is subtract tens. Second step is subtract tens. Now 8 minus 4. 8 10 minus 4 tens is equal to 4 tens. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 is more than 4, so it will not borrow any digit from the next one. Clear beta? When the upper number is greater or equal to the lower number, then there is no need to borrow. So simply we will subtract 4 from 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now third step is subtract hundreds. Third step is subtract hundreds. Now there is 7 in hundreds place. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now next step is subtract thousands. What is the next step? Subtract thousands. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now what will be the answer? 2447. What will be the answer? 2447. Is it clear beta? When the upper digit is smaller, then it will borrow from the next digit. But if the upper digit is greater or equal to the lower digit, then there is no need to borrow. Is it clear beta? Now next is arrange vertically and subtract. Arrange vertically and subtract. Now we have to subtract 4484 from 8841. Clear beta? We are to subtract 4484 from 8881. First of all, we will arrange these numbers in columns. The first number will be written at first place and second number will be written at second place. Clear beta? Again same method is followed. First of all, we will subtract ones. Now this 1 is smaller. This 1 is smaller, so it will borrow 110 from this 410. Clear beta? This 1 is smaller, so it will borrow 110 from 410. Now 110 plus 1 is equal to 11 ones. Clear beta? 110 plus 1 is equal to 11 ones. So we will write down 11 here. We will write down 11. Now 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. So we will write down 7 under ones. Now this 1 has borrowed 1 from 4. So this 4 will become 3. It will become 3 tens. Now the second step is subtract tens. Now again this 3 is less than 8. This 3 is less than 8. So it will borrow 100 from 800s. This 3 will borrow 100 from 800s. Is it clear beta? Now it will become 13 tens and this 8 will become 700s. Clear bache? This 1 is smaller. It has borrowed 1 from 4 tens. Now this 3 is smaller. It has borrowed 1 from 800s. Clear? Now 13 minus 8 is 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now 7 is greater than 4, so there is no need to borrow. 7 minus 4 is 3. Clear beta? Now fourth step is subtract thousands. Now 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So answer will be 4357. Answer is 4357. Is it clear, students? First of all, subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds, and then thousand. And we will borrow if the upper digit is smaller than the lower digit. Here 1 is smaller. It has borrowed 1 from tens. 3 is smaller. It has borrowed 1 from hundreds. Is it clear beta? Now 7 is greater than 4, so there is no need to borrow. Clear bache? That's all for today. Thank you.